A very good morning, friends. Today I'll be starting indefinite integration, a very important topic from calculus. So let us begin. There are two types of integration. One is what? Indefinite. First is what? Indefinite integration, and second is what? Definite integration. So we'll be learning first indefinite integration. Integration is also known as antiderivative or primitive. Indefinite integration, antiderivative, or it is also known as primitive. So these are three different names for this particular topic. So let us begin indefinite integration. What is indefinite integration? Let fx and gx be two real valued functions. Real valued functions means domain and codomain. Either both are real numbers or they are subsets of real numbers. Such that derivative of fx is gx, then integration of gx with respect to x is fx plus c, where c is constant of integration. Whenever derivative of this function is this, then integration of this will be what? This. Why it is called indefinite integration? And why it is called antiderivative? See here. Let fx and gx be two real valued functions such that derivative of fx with respect to x is gx. Then integral gx with respect to x is what? Fx plus c, where c is constant of integration. Now before moving further, I'd like to explain why we are adding c and why it is called antiderivative. Say I are given d by dx of fx is equal to gx. In this, d stand for derivative and dx stand for with respect to x. So derivative of fx with respect to x is what? Gx. This d will transfer on that side, will become what? 1 upon d gx with respect to x is what? Fx. And if you see, this 1 upon d is replaced by integration. 1 upon d is replaced by integration. D stand for derivative, 1 upon d stand for antiderivative, and this antiderivative is nothing but integration. So that is why integration is called antiderivative. First very important thing, why we add c? For that, look here, derivative of sin x with respect to x is what? Cos x. So this implies integral of cos x with respect to x is what? Sin x. इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन ये हो जाएगा. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin x plus 10 is what? cos x, because derivative of 10 becomes 0. So this implies integration of cos x with respect to x is what? Sin x plus 10. इसका डेरिवेटिव अगर ये है तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो जाएगा? sin x plus 10. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin x minus 100 is again cos x. So this time integration of cos x with respect to x is what? Sin x minus 100. In all the three formula you can see, here you are saying integration of cos x is what? Sin x, whereas here you are saying integration of cos x is what? Sin x plus 10, and here you are saying integration of cos x is what? Sin x minus 100. So in all the three cases there is a difference of constant. Why there is a difference of constant? Because in anti-process of integration, that is derivative of constant becomes 0. So while writing integration, we add plus c. C can be 0, c can be 10, c can be minus 100, c can be anything. That is, c is called constant of integration. Now I'll give you list of formulae. I'll make two parts. In the first part, I'll write derivative and simultaneously integration. Derivative integration. First one is what? D by dx of sin x is cos x. Therefore, integral of cos x with respect to x is sin x plus c. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Therefore, integral of sin x will be what? Minus cos x plus c. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Therefore, integral of sec square x with respect to x is what? Tan x plus c. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Therefore, integral of cosec square x dx is what? minus cot x plus c. Derivative of sec x is what? Sec x tan x. Therefore, integral of sec x tan x with respect to x is what? Sec x plus c. Derivative of cosec x is what? Minus cosec x cot x. Therefore, integral of cosec x cot x with respect to x is what? Minus cosec x plus c. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon root. Therefore, integral of 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx is what? Sin inverse x plus c. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon root therefore integral of 1 upon root 1 minus x square with respect to x is what? Minus cos inverse x plus c. So integration of 1 upon root 1 minus x square, either you take sin inverse x plus c or you can take minus cos inverse x plus c. Ninth is d by dx of tan inverse x is what? 1 upon 1 plus. Therefore, integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x plus c. Tenth is d by dx of cot inverse x minus 1 upon 1 plus. Therefore, integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square is equal to minus cot inverse x plus c. So either integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square you take tan inverse or you can take minus cot inverse, both are 100% correct. Derivative of sec inverse x is what? 1 upon x root. So integral of 1 upon x root x square minus 1 is equal to sec inverse x plus c. derivative of cosec inverse x is minus 1 upon x root x square minus 1. Therefore, integral of 1 upon x root x square minus 1 dx minus cosec inverse x plus c. So either you take integral of 1 upon x root x square minus 1 as what? Sec inverse x plus c, or you can take minus cosec inverse x plus c, both are correct. Then derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Therefore, integral of e raised to x dx is what? E raised to x plus c. Derivative of a raised to x is what? A raised to x log a. So integration of a raised to x log a is what? A raised to x. Log a will come outside and it will go in division that side. So integration of a raised to x is what? A raised to x upon log a plus c. This means whatever constant we are multiplying, constant not variable, whatever constant we are multiplying in case of derivative, in integration it will get divided. Derivative of log x is what? 1 upon x. Therefore, integral of 1 upon x with respect to x is what? Log of mod x plus c, because log of negative number is not possible. And 16th is derivative of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 is what? X raised to n. Derivative of this is this. Therefore, integration of x raised to n dx will be what? X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, provided n should not be minus 1. What will happen to integration when n is minus 1? Then it will become x raised to minus 1, which is nothing but 1 upon x. And integration of 1 upon x is what? Log of mod x. Then second set of formulas what? Based on this only, it will be only for integration. And in place of x, we will replace ax plus b, linear. So coefficient of x will get divided in that case. Formula set 2. Formula set 2. It is only for integration. In integration, if you see, first formula was integration of cos. So now instead of x, we'll write ax plus b. The integration of cos ax plus b will be what? Sin ax plus b In case of derivative, we multiply derivative of ax plus b, which is a, and a is what? Coefficient of x. So that will get divided in case of integration upon a plus c. Second is what? Integral sine ax plus b is minus cos ax plus b upon a plus c. Integral sec square ax plus b is tan ax plus b upon a. Integral cosec square ax plus b, it is minus cot ax plus b upon a plus c. Integral sec tan, that is sec ax plus b into tan ax plus b is equal to sec ax plus b upon a plus c. Integral cosec ax plus b into cot ax plus b is what? Minus cosec ax plus b upon a plus c. Integral 1 upon root 1 minus x is replaced by ax plus b in integration side is sine inverse ax plus b upon a plus c, or same thing equal to minus cos inverse ax plus b upon a plus c. Eighth one is integral 1 upon 1 plus ax plus b square dx. It is tan inverse ax plus b upon a plus c, or minus cot inverse ax plus b upon a plus c. Ninth is integral 1 upon ax plus b into root ax plus b square minus 1. It is either sec inverse ax plus b upon a plus c, or minus cosec inverse ax plus b upon a plus c. Tenth is integral e raised to ax plus b e raised to ax plus b upon a plus c. 11th is integral a raised to kx plus b. Here instead of ax plus b, I took kx plus b. Otherwise, you'll get confused between this a and this a. Is what? A raised to kx plus b upon log a is there, and along with that k also we have to divide. 12th is integral 1 upon ax plus b log ax plus b upon a plus c. And 13th one is integral ax plus b raised to n dx. It is ax plus b, add 1 to the power divided by new power and coefficient of x by a plus c, provided n should not be minus 1. When n is minus 1, we have to write ax plus b raised to minus 1 is what? 1 upon ax plus b. And its integration will be what? Log ax plus b upon a. Now some theorems are there. If fx and gx be two real valued integral functions, then prove that integral fx minus gx this will be for plus as well as minus both. I think that page got deleted. If it is plus or minus, same thing. See the proof. We will take this individual integrals as what? Capital Fx and capital Gx. Let integral Fx dx is equal to capital Fx and integral Gx dx capital Gx. Write this as equation number 1. Now we will convert integration to derivative form. When integration of this is this, then derivative of capital Fx will be what? Small fx. By definition of integration, derivative of capital Fx is what? Small fx, and derivative of capital Gx is what? Small gx. Equation number 2. We are proving integration of difference, so we will take derivative of difference. Consider d by dx of, we know derivative of capital Fx and capital Gx. So we will take difference but of capital Fx and capital Gx. But by formula of derivative, derivative of u minus v is what? Derivative of u minus derivative of v. D by dx of capital Fx minus d by dx of capital Gx by rule of derivative. But derivative of capital Fx is what? A small fx minus reason from 2. Now derivative of capital Fx minus gx is what? That. So integration of this will be what? Capital Fx minus gx. By definition of integration, integral fx minus gx, dx is what? Capital Fx minus capital gx. But capital Fx from equation number 1 is what? Integral fx, integral gx dx, reason from 1. Therefore, integral fx minus gx dx is what? Integral fx dx minus integral. Same way we can prove for positive. For positive here we have to consider plus, and by rule of derivative it is what? Plus, and everywhere you have to write positive sign. Then second, while taking integration, constant will come outside. Let fx and gx be two real valid integrable functions and k a constant, then prove that integral k fx dx is what? K times integral fx dx. As I told, this individual integral we have to take as what? Capital Fx. Let integral fx dx is what? Capital Fx, equation number 1. By definition of integration, derivative of capital Fx is what? Small fx. This is right equation number 2. Here we are finding integration of k times. So we will go for derivative of k times. Consider d by dx of k times capital Fx. And in derivative we have already proved derivative of ku is what? K will come outside. Derivative of u, k d by dx of capital Fx. K, derivative of capital Fx is what? Small fx from equation 2. This is by a rule of derivative. Now derivative of this is this. So integration of this is what? K times capital Fx. By definition of integration, integral k fx, k times capital Fx. But capital Fx is what? Integral fx. Therefore, integral k fx is what? k times integral fx dx. Reason from 1. This is what we had to prove. Now we'll do some problems based on whatever theorems we had done. First is what? I is equal to integral x cube plus x square minus x plus 1 dx. Integral x cube plus x square minus x plus 1 dx. Now plus and minus will get separated, so integral x cube dx plus integral x square dx minus integral x dx plus integral 1 dx. Add 1 to the power में एक ऐड करो डिवाइडेड बाय न्यू पावर प्लस add 1 to the power, sorry, this is x raised to 4. Add 1 to the power divided by new power. So x raised to 4 upon 4 plus add 1 to the power divided by new power minus add 1 to the power divided by new power. इंटीग्रल 1 का मतलब हो गया x raised to 0 dx. पावर में एक ऐड करेंगे तो x हो जाएगा प्लस c. इज द आंसर. See second one. I is what? Integral x square into 1 minus 2 upon x square dx. We can make common square x into 1 minus 2 upon x the whole square dx. और मल्टीप्लाई किया तो you'll get x minus 2. We can use linear integration formula or directly you can expand it. X square minus 4x plus 4 dx. Separate it. X square dx minus 4 will come outside x dx plus 4 integral dx. Add 1 to the power divided by new power. Minus 4. Add 1 to the power divided by new power. Plus 4 integral dx is what? X plus c. X cube by 3 minus 2x square plus 4x plus c. Next is 3 sec square x sec square x minus 4 upon x plus 1 upon x root x minus 7 dx. We'll separate it. 3 constant will come outside. We have proved that theorem. Integral k fx is what? K will come outside. Minus 4 1 upon x dx plus integral x root x is what? X raised to 3 by 2 will take up. Will give x raised to minus 3 by 2 minus 7 integral dx. We have to take all the powers of x up except x raised to 1. खाली x raised to 1 को ऊपर नहीं ले जाना है. Integration of sec square is what? 10. Derivative of tan is sec square, so integration of sec square is what? Tan. Log mod x. Add 1 to the power divided by new power. X raised to minus half upon minus half. 7x plus c, which is 3 tan x minus 4 log mod x minus 2 upon, bring down and make positive, root x minus 7x plus c is the answer. We have to find integral tan square. Whenever we have to find out integral tan square or cot square, we have to convert in sec square form. Tan square is what? Sec square x minus 1 dx. Integral sec square x dx minus integral dx. Tan x minus x plus c. If suppose we need to find out cot square, let me do that also. Integral cot square. We will convert cot square in cosec square minus 1 form. Separate it. Integral cosec square x dx minus integral dx. Integral cosec square is what? Minus cot x minus x plus c. Same way, sec square is what? Direct formula tan x, and cosec square is what? Minus cot directly. Sin 2x upon cos x. Sin 2x is what? 2 sin x cos x. Upon cos x. Cos will get cancelled, 2 you take outside. Integral sin x dx. Two into minus cos x plus c, which is minus 2 cos x plus c. Then next is sin x upon cos square x. This can be written as 1 upon cos x into sin x upon cos x. One upon cos x is sec x, sin upon cos is tan. Integral sec tan is what? Your formula, sec x plus c. So we'll stop here. Thank you very much. नो एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस नो मैटर हाउ स्मॉल इज एवर वेस्टेड। कोई भी दया का काम जो किया गया है, चाहे वो कितना भी छोटा हो, वो कभी व्यर्थ नहीं जाता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।